Item number 1.
One second. So, Mr. Advocate General, you exile yourself now. You don't come personally anymore.
No, I will be there, my lord.
Yes.
I will be.
You've heard other things, I don't know. Yes.
I will be personal present, my lord.
Yes.
I will be there. Your lordship may have it next week because I filed a report, detailed report.
Where is the report?
A report filed today morning, my lord, in item 1, suo motu code, explaining everything, my lord, all the material.
I think some orders will have to come, I guess, with all what's with the last report. Have you addressed the last report?
Yes,
the
your
18th
lordship.
interim report here?
Yes, your lordship. That is
who's appearing for the parties?
I'm appearing in item number 3, your lordship.
I'm for item number 2, my lord. I'm for the petitioner in item number 2.
It's a suo motu, my lord.
Right, I mean,
suo motu matter.
I understand, but I mean,
the court did not assign any amicus in this matter, my lord, so far as item 1 is concerned.
We are aware. Yes.
In fact, if your lordship would see, the Justice Kataki has sought a report from Deputy Commissioner East Jantehil, my lord.
Yes.
And on that issue only, my lord. And based on that, my lord, that report has also been submitted to Justice Kataki by.
What about how are you addressing that coal been found behind the Don Bosco College?
Your lordship, if your lordship will see my affidavit, the report, because there are two types of coal, my lord. If your lordship will see, paragraph 17 onwards, or page 7, my lord.
One second.
May I take your lordship to the various aspects, my lord, from page paragraph 4 itself, my lord.
Yes.
Paragraph 3, in respect of observation made in the 18th interim report regarding coal dumps found near Don Bosco College, Bindhati, it is most humbly submitted that Additional Deputy Commissioner who was accompanying a single-member committee during the field visit has immediately upon noticing coal dumps filed FIR with Clarier Police Station. It is submitted that an official of Director of Mineral Resources checked have assessed the quantity of coal to be dumped by 4,900 metric ton. FIR. It is submitted that the investigating officer had initiated the investigation in respect of reports.
Is the Supreme Police, is he available here today? Unless very knows is happening. Unless very knows that 4,900 tons are being dug up and it's right inside Clarier.
No, what has happened, my lord, that in the area, there are two, Justice Kataki has said that probably it is a freshly mined coal. During the investigation also, my lord, some of the coal miners are saying that it is part of the location or part of the declaration made by them before NGT committee, my lord. So, but be as it may, since the
but why was it being dumped there then? There was no coal there before. How is it being dumped there? It's not supposed to go to...
No, the question is, the issue is, my lord, that whether it was because the Justice Kataki has noticed it for the first time. I can place, my lord, I have placed, and therefore it was, the one version is that it was previously mined. If your lordship will see, paragraph 7, my lord, paragraphs 6 and 7.
Because you just given this report, today, so it's difficult for the court to ascertain also. But the things that, and even this annexure is...
Coal belongs to one mule simply, my lord, paragraph 5. It is submitted that upon perusal of record, it has been found that coal dump found behind Don Bosco belongs to one mule NGT serial number so and so. The quantity assured by magistrate is 4,800 metric ton. Copy of the pages of NGT inventory listed. It is submitted that Garuda UAV rectification upon re-verified and reassessed coal was established at 44,790. If of 23, it is submitted that Google Maps snapshot of location of declared coal stock by...
Where are transit pass copies? Have you annexed them here?
The
copy of transit passes, have you annexed them here? Or are they going to be manufactured later on?
Yes, my lord, I have got, no, my lord, transit pass has got serial number, and that is what
Where
serial number and everything. I can place all the entire, but this is 30, because my lord, one transit pass will be for 10 metric ton of coal, and it's 4,800 metric ton, my lord, and then in that case, it may go into the voluminous, but I can provide, my lord, serial and everything, and but still, my lord, we have registered the FIR, because despite Justice Kataki has pointed out that it appears to be freshly mined coal, irrespective of the claim of the coal owner. We have registered the FIR, we have seized, and because once it is
you see,
pointed out
Mr.
that
Okay, General, the thing is that
yes,
it seems that, they expect there be some laxity or something. And if these people are going to indulge this kind of activities where if they have transit pass, if they mix it with and freshly mined coal, there are serious consequences are there. And
yes,
Superintendent of
yes,
Police, I
absolutely
think
right.
he's a vital fact here. And if we have to pass orders against him, we would not hesitate.
Yes, Lord.
That is the only thing. And contempt already hang over their head.
Yes, Lord.
And it's not,
Yes,
we
Lord.
can't carry on this way. You
Yes,
can't
Lord.
play
I
around. You
understand.
can't play around this way.
Yes,
Where's the
Lord.
next? Where's the
Your Lordship.
transit pass?
Your Lordship, I can place, because, my Lord, this declaration, my Lord, because if Your Lordship will see, because we have to, first round of auction has already taken place. And these coals are, my Lord, if Your Lordship will see paragraph 11, paragraph, there are certain, because we have
One second.
placed the Google-
Since the
Yes,
report's
sir.
also fresh, like the freshly mined coal, so we have to look at the report also.
Yes,
You
sir.
file it just now. I'm getting tired of this. It's just, if final orders are to come from this bench, let them come. Then you can take your own recourse. It's not a transit pass. What order is this one? Annexure F, page 22.
Annexure?
It refers to some other letters.
No, my Lord, transit pass is not on record, my Lord.
Okay. Yes.
I can place the details, my Lord, and transit pass and all details, my Lord, in respect of all coal items, everything, my Lord.
Tuesday is what date? Tuesday is 7th.
Your Lordship may have it on 7th, my Lord. I will be personally present on that date, my Lord.
December. It'll be 5th. It'll be 5th. 5th, yes.
I was praying
A status report
My
made
Lord.
on behalf of the respondent state to the 18th interim report of Justice B.P. Kotuki, retired, has been filed this morning itself. Stop. Accordingly, this matter on Tuesday, 5th, 2023 for November 24 for the orders. We will hear it on Tuesday. We'll examine the report.
Another aspect, my lord, may I submit your order?
Yes, Mr. Goyal.
My lord, on 26/9/2023,
Yes.
this honorable court, by the order dated 26/9/23,
Yes.
my lord, it was directed that my lord, other industries, my lord, those who are using illegally mined coal, my lord, in respect of that, my lord, Justice Kataki has already submitted report. On that score also, my lord, state was supposed to file affidavit, my lord. Para 4 of that order, your lordship may kindly see.
1 second.
26/9.
Yes.
26/9/2023 and para 4 of the order, your lordship.
1 second.
My
26 been so many orders. 26
My lord.
9.
2023. My lord. Common order was passed, my lord.
They have not filed
Para
anything
4.
to this.
No, your Lordship, what in this regard, my Lord, particularly if your Lordship will see paragraph 4 of the order, what my friend is pointing out, my Lord.
Yes.
And he is prisoner in PI number 3, my Lord. I have something to say about him also, my Lord. for the state to look into the other industries using the illegally mined coal in their functioning. No report has forthcoming from the state. Learned Advocate General, that even such aspect of matter is being monitored by Justice Kataki, and certain anomalies have been noticed by the state in how the Ferro alloy industry, cement industry, and coke industry and obtain their supply. My lord, the entire matter was placed before Justice Kataki, and Justice Kataki has asked the state to carry out the audit. We have placed if your lordship will see in the last interim report, Justice Kataki is monitoring this aspect. There are three aspects of this matter. One, my lord, use of alleged illegal coal by the cement factories, my lord. So far as this issue is concerned, my lord, Justice Kataki has submitted a fifth interim report way back. That interim report was approved by NGT, my lord, by Principal Bench NGT. That was challenged by all cement factories before the Honorable Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court in the month of May this year, my lord, passed the order remanding the matter back to the NGT Eastern Bench, my lord, and to examine the entire matter and to consider this aspect. So far as that cement factories are concerned, this matter is being examined by NGT Eastern Bench, my lord. Why petitioner is showing undue interest, my lord, because now what we have got some complaint against the petitioner that he is representing the coke oven plant owner, or he has got some nexus with the coke oven plant, my lord. Your lordship may have it on 6th, and in Salinder Kumar, my lord, I have placed in the other PIL, I have placed some material showing that this same PIL petitioner is there in the other matter also, my lord. Lordship may take up.
You come personally, will hear it, will give you enough here.
Yes, your lord. I'll be there.
Okay.
I will be personally there.
Yes.
Along with the order.
My lord, item number
Yes.
2.
When your lordship is taking up this matter, my lord,
On 5th.
Yes.
Yes.
can
We'll
it
go
be, my
through,
lord,
we'll go through
6th,
a
my lord?
fine-tooth comb.
Can it,
This status report.
can it be, my lord, taken up on 6th, your lordship?
Why?
My lord, on 5th, my lord, some personal difficulty. My father-in-law expired, well, in that day some rituals are there. On 5th,
Okay,
my lord.
6th and
I want
Mr.
to-
Article 6.
6th.
6, your lord.
Yes.
Item number 2, my lord. We have few things to point out, my lord. As my lord has seen, my lord, from the report of the Justice Kataki, where my lord,
Yes.
quite a good quantity of coal has been shown to be extracted illegally, my lord, at near the Don Bosco College, my lord, in East Janta Hills, my lord. Now, my lord, this, as per the submission made by the London Advocate General, this may be that to school they are transporting, my lord, but this is totally wrong statement, my lord. Now, my lord, we have been informed, my lord, by some of the well-wishers, my lord, that there is an auction now. There is going to be an auction in West Sales, my lord, of coal by the Deputy Commissioner, where they have violated their own order. There's
My lord,
where's auction?
What my friend is saying, let him place it on record, my lord, because what is happening, he will stand up and say something without there being any material.
My lord, we are
to
placing the
respond to
material, my
and
lord.
take-
We are placing the material.
So your lordship, right now I can't take instruction from my office.
Give them a
How will I
copy
take-
also.
Definitely, we will give them.
What is this?
This is the tender notice, my lord. Now, my lord, may I kindly see, this is the tender. As per the DMR, my lord, they have to do e-auction, my lord. But this tender doesn't speak anything about the e-auction, my lord. Neither this tender was published in any national papers, my lord.
Yes,
My-
West Khasi Hills.
Yes, my lord. West Khasi Hills, my lord. This has been floated by the Deputy Commissioner, my lord.
Yes, Mr. RPC, you take note. You accept this, Mr. Khan.
Let my friend
you get
move the
instructions.
petition, my lord. I will take instruction.
One more thing, my lord. We want to point out that the government has filed the affidavit as per the order of this honourable court of the last order, my lord. My lord, if my lord may kindly take the affidavit, my lord.
Yes, just read
My
it
lord,
out.
the affidavit says, my lord, in para 5, that the answering respondent cannot comment on the allegation that the farm, Messrs. Vaishno Devi Traders Private Limited, was an entity of Jaima Coal Private Limited, as the said firm was a successful bidder of the Coal India Limited auction and has followed all due procedure. However, after the allegation level against Jaima and its entities, the Superintendent of Police South Garo Hills has conducted an inquiry and has established that the proprietor of Vaishno Devi and Jaima are the same, who has been stopped by this honourable court for transporting, exporting, sale, etc. of coal, except with the previous leave of this honourable court, my lord. They are exporting, my lord. But there is no leave taken from this honourable court. My lord, there are the auction papers, my lord.
We'll hear it and we'll take it all one by one on the 6th.
My lord, we may be permitted to file in small
We'll
miscase, my
file,
lord.
right?
We'll file it.
It's not adversary. Yes. This one also we won't record it right now. We'll take it on that day. But off the record, you just take
No,
instruction.
but on 4th, my lord, they are going to open the tender, my lord. On 4th, the last
Doesn't
date of
matter, nothing that cannot be undone. Yes. Adam. Yeah, I see him. Finding very warm. I want shit. Look, switch it off.
Item number 1.
Please, Your Lordships. Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation.
Why?
Mr. Chanda is indisposed, Lordship.
Mr. Jindal?
Mr. Chanda, Lordship.
Oh, Mr. Jindal is appearing here.
Lordship.
When do you want it? After vacations?
After vacations, Lordship. Bas, emergency.
If Mr. Eman Ompure submits that the arguing counsel, Mr. Chanda is indisposed. So he prays that the matter be taken up after winter vacation. Not objected to by the appellant. No urgency, no?
No
You're for the
urgency.
appellant.
I'm for the appellant.
It's after winter vacation.
Item number 2.
Oblige.
Similar orders, Lordship.
So connected, madam.
Okay.
Oblige.
Yes.
Item number 3.
1 second.
I'm waiting for
Yes.
Should the state has filed the affidavit?
respondent number 7. Respondent number 7 was supposed to file affidavit. Mile.
1 second, Mr. Goel.
Mile.
Who's appearing for State Pollution Control Board? You only have filed affidavit.
Notice
Yes, Mr.
the
Advocate General.
state has filed the affidavit, my lord. State has filed the affidavit. And this PIL, my lord, is relating to two aspects of the
Where's the
matter.
state's affidavit? It's not here.
You file it
It is filed in the
Respondent number 3
in the morning.
Filed when?
Today morning it has been processed.
What do you mean? I hear a soft voice. What do you mean bring process?
No.
My lord, the copy was being served to the local council and it is being in the process of being filed.
Then you say that, no? So he said it's been filed. Yes, you are. What were you saying?
Yes, yeah, my lord, this PIL is concerning two aspects of the matter. The
Yes.
PIL petitioner has made the allegation against the private respondent number 7, my lord, stating that the private respondent number 7 has allegedly used illegally mined coal for
Yes.
production of cement, my lord.
Yes.
With regard to this aspect of the matter, my lord, Justice Kadaki, in 5th interim report, surveyed all cement factories in Meghalaya, my lord, and based on the detailed report, Justice Kadaki imposed fine on all cement factories, including private respondent number 7, my lord.
Yes.
Against that order, the matter was confirmed by National Green Tribunal Principal Bench, my lord, which was taken to Supreme Court by the cement factories, my lord. And the Honorable Supreme Court, after hearing the matter, remanded the matter back to National Green Tribunal afresh to consider the report of Justice Kadaki, because Justice Kadaki has imposed penalty on all cement factories, including respondent number 7.
Yes.
After remand, my lord, Principal Bench has transferred the matter to Eastern Zone Bench, and the matter is now listed for hearing on 9th of January 2024, my lord. So, therefore, coal aspect is concerned, my lord. That matter is pending before the National
So
Green
what do you
Tribunal.
propose we do the matter then here?
Then-
If
and then
your
second
submission is
aspect-
that is sum and substance, the matter still is seized by the NGT in Calcutta.
So far as coal is concerned, my friend has also made allegation that illegally mined limestone limestone is also being used, my lord. So
Yes.
far as if you also will see the PIL, my lord, it's very strange PIL because the allegations which have been made by petitioner, my lord, is purportedly on behest of rival. Why do I say so, my lord? If you also will see the PIL and page 24 is the information obtained by in RTI, my lord. Page 24 of the PIL, my lord.
Yes. Who is the person
If you
who
want
asked for
to-
information?
My lord, and he has not complied with this PIL petitioner, my lord. SK Sharma, 24, and just mark the date of the RTI information, my lord. It's 3rd September 2015.
Yes.
Now, the information has been sought in respect of Star Cement, Green Valley, Amrit Cement, and Goldstone Cement.
Yes.
And the NOC in respect of other lines are available in this office. Chief Nagpur, your application is being forwarded to concerned authority for furnishing information. So in 2015, he gets the information, my lord. Now in 2017, further he applies, my lord. If your lordship will see the another set of RTI, now at page 34. This is also of 2017 against all cement number of cement factories, I will
Yes.
not, my lord. And now in 2023, my lord, he is saying he is making allegation against private respondent number 7 and central and also number of allegations which are, to my understanding, is not correct. According to me, they are not correct. And it is purportedly on the behest of the private rivals and private parties, my lord. And for that purpose only, my lord, Meghalaya High Court has made the PIL rules. Those PIL rules have not been followed, and in filing the PIL, my lord, I have filed a detailed reply. Your lordship may take up this matter on 6th. My friend will be present on 6th so that the
Yes,
matter
sir.
can be heard and decided.
An affidavit on behalf of respondent number
1 and 2.
3 has been filed and the same is on record. Stop. Mr. Kumal Dandit, Advocate General, submits that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents
1 and 2.
1 and 2 will be filed in the course of the day. Stop. You are Mr.
7 and Dheeraj Maitre.
Mr. So and so for respondent 7. This 4 is allowed. Listing on the 6th, you try to file it by the 6th.
Kindly keep it on 11.
No.
I'll file before then. 11.
We'll take up all these matters on the 6th. You try to file it by the 6th, yes.
Your Lordship, the same for respondent number 4, Your Lordship, Netvi. I will pray for something to file a reply.
Who are you?
Netvi, Your Lordship.
Are you a material respondent or just a passenger?
The nodal agency dispersing of the funds.
They have dispersed, my lord.
But are you a material respondent? Will your affidavit have any bearing on the outcome of the petition? Yes or no?
Not at all, my lord. Not at all, my lord.
They have dispersed, my lord, a subsidy amount.
No, here is this person. Okay, number 4. You file it then by the 6th.
11, because the data that is petitioner has sought is of almost a decade old.
Your lordship may have it on 6th if my friend is, because first PIL petitioner has to cross.
If it's inconvenience, we'll see. Yes. What about 5 and 6?
But 5 is severe.
Oh,
At this point of time,
Yes, 6.
6 is
If I'm ED. Yes, sir. Stop. Mr. So-and-so on behalf of respondent 7 prays for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit. Stop. Similar praise made by Mr. Wanswear on behalf of respondent number 4. Stop. Expired prayers are considered, but however, as other similar matters are listed on the 6th of December, let this matter appear on the same date. Yes.
Obliged.
Any mention?
May it please your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item 20. Lordship, I'm praying if 19 is a connected matter, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying if this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Why?
Conducting counsel is out of station, Lordship.
He'll be out for 2 weeks.
Lordship.
For 2 weeks he'll be out. Okay. 2 weeks, yes, 20.
Obliged, Lordship.
My Lord.
Mr.
19
Pathak,
would,
19 will
my
go
Lord,
also
nine-
then.
My Lord, these are the vexed issue of my Lord, this compliance pending for a long time, but then we are also insisting.
Too long. And they're just supposed to give the bullet points for judgment to be generated, I think.
My Lord, that has been already filed, my Lord.
You file that?
That-
They want
I
to
have
do some
filed.
oral arguments.
My Lord, Mr.
Yes.
Paul basically wanted to
Mr.
submit
Paul
because
wanted to
he
yes, that's it. Anyway.
because he had some matters in the Supreme Court also, so he wanted to submit something on that line.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Pathak. Yes.
My Lord.
My
Obliged.
Lord, this admission hearing, item number 3, we have received the copy of the...
Don't mention admission hearing now. Let it come up, let me call up. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention contempt number 29 of 23 to be listed tomorrow or Friday, Your Lordship.
What's the urgency?
Because this insurance company haven't paid the compensation yet, Your Lordship. So as
Contempt
per
which order? Which order? Contempt which order?
1411.
Is a fresh contempt or pending contempt?
No, Your Honor, it's yeah, fresh contempt.
Is it fresh or you want to file it or it's already been filed?
No, Your Honor, we already filed. It's
Already
fresh.
been moved?
Yes.
List on Monday.
Monday. Okay, Your Lordship. Obliged.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24. Lordship, I pray that 2 weeks' time may be allowed. No objection, Lordship.
Yes, 2 weeks' time.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Ashwa recommend this election. Venus always takes proceedings.
Sorry. Daily list. Daily list first, please.
Daily list first, yes.
Item number 1.
What about anything? Yes, what is this?
Your Lordship, we had RCW workers, Your Lordship, protected under the Meghalaya Regular Casual Workers Scheme 1996.
Yeah.
Your Lordship, our grievances here is that in the year 2022, which is at page 81, Your Lordship, if you go to page 81.
81?
Yes, Your Lordship, 81. Type copy is at page 87, Your Lordship. Type copy.
It's from there. TV. Yes.
Type copy is at page 87, Your Lordship.
Yes. What is this?
Lordship, in the year 2023, these are the list of the regularized employee, which is grade 4. Now, as per the scheme, Regular Casual Worker Scheme 1996, which is at 16, 21, yeah, which is page 20, Your Lordship. If you go to page 20 of the petition, Your Lordship. Page 20 of the petition.
Oh, yes, tell me, yes.
Yeah. So, as per the scheme, 50%, it says that 50% is to be filled amongst RCW.
For
now,
what?
For the regularization. Yes.
RCW is already the regular casual worker.
They're regular, but to be absorbed in a regular post.
Okay.
50%.
Where does it say?
It says here, Lordship, when back see Page 20, it says here when Clause 5, Your Lordship.
Okay.
When
Group D
vacancies
posts.
in Group D posts
Yes.
arise in any department or office, 50% thereof shall, subject to rules, orders, and instructions as state government may from time to time issue.
Where are you reading from, Mr. Wajri?
Yes.
Where are you reading from?
I'm reading from page 20, Your Lordship.
Yes, 5 what? I'm saying 5, clause 5.
Paragraph Clause 5. This Clause 5.
1 or 2?
1, Your Lordship.
Okay.
1. When
Where
va-
the judge is of rules and okay.
Yeah. This 50% shall, subject to rules, shall be filled from among RCW workers. Now, Your Lordship, if the 50%, we are supposed to get 50%, but we are not getting it. So we are grieved by that, Your Lordship. That is
you
our
are an
case.
association. Who are you?
I'm one of the workers. There is a resolution passed from amongst the RCW workers, which is at page...
Which number is your organization?
Pardon, Your Lordship?
Which number in the serial? Serial number?
Yes, 1 minute, Lordship. 2. 17, 79, 80, 79, 80, 79. Yeah, it's at page 79, Your Lordship. My serial number is 20. Page 79, this is list of RCW. And the
No, but here, on to page 87, you say type copy, it's someone else.
Page 79, Your Lordship. 79.
Okay.
Yes.
You're
Number 20.
You're appearing with one petitioner here.
Yeah, I'm appearing on
Only
behalf of one.
No, not association, anything.
No, it is an association. There is a resolution which was passed.
No, how many petitioners are here?
Only one petitioner,
One
my lord.
petitioner on behalf-
Relief
on behalf-
claim is for all the petitioners, my
Yes,
lord.
Your
That
Lordship.
is
So, Varjari,
not permissible.
they should be arraigned as petitioners at least, even if they invest authority in one person.
Yes,
They have to be arrayed as party.
Then we'll take her only for her
Yeah,
case only.
then that case will take only for. Yes.
Issue notice, but Mr. Issue notice, available in 3 weeks. Mr. N. Sinkan is present on behalf of all the respondents. No further notice called for. Just a matter and so on so. Oh, instructions affidavit. So the test case, that means.
Supplementary list item number
If you
1.
get relief, that means more than 1,000 cases will come.
Supplementary, ma.
Lordship, this is the same matter which they have.
Yes, for any other bench or not me. Sorry.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Yes, Mr. Rahman.
Sir, Your Lordship, I have come up with a contempt petition
Against which order?
against order dated 29/11
22.
22 in case number WPC 317
How
2018
have they violated this order?
because they didn't comply, sir, with the order.
What does the
It's
order
already-
give you?
This order, like we got partial relief, me and another of my colleague, Dalin Sarian Nongbet, we got partial relief to get our gratuity amount. But they are not doing anything from their side.
Yes, Mr. Yubin. Why are you not paying her?
My lord, it's not that we are not paying. First of all, my lord, this order was passed by Justice Dingdo, my lord. It's an order of Justice Dingdo, my lord. Secondly, my lord.
So what is also passed?
Gratuity? No, my lord. Secondly, my lord.
So you mean it should go to his bench?
My lord.
No, contempt
my lord.
jurisdiction with me. Yes.
So, my lord, I can file the steps taken so far, my lord.
Let them file.
My lord.
But you have not paid them because only I saw para 40, correct?
Yes.
It's a leniency be shown to you.
My
haven't
They
shown
are not taking any
leniency?
action, sir.
No, my lord, we
They're
have
just
taken.
keeping quiet, sir.
No, it's not correct, my lord. I can bring
We have
it
approached
step
so
by
many
step what
times.
we have done, my lord.
Okay, heard Ms.
Nothing,
S.
sir.
Rahman for the petitioner. If you notice, Mr. Yobin accept notice on behalf of the sole respondent. No further notice called for. List after 3 weeks for
My lord.
instructions affidavit. Yes.
My lord. Obliged.
Item number 3.
Yes.
Lordship, this is similar matter which is pending with the other matter regarding
MDC?
MDC pension, Your Lordship.
Mr. Kanta,
Here there are four.
why they've come separately? How many of them are there?
4 petitioners, Your Lordship. They came to know later. So.
Third MSB of Karmalang, sorry. Issue notice, Mr. Along with so-and-so, present exemplars on behalf of all respondents for this together with
WPC 458 of 2022.
as a similar matter is already pending consideration before this court lists the same. Yes. As similar matter being WPC number so-and-so.
458 of 20.
For this court lists this together. On the next
Highly
page.
obliged.
458.
458 of 2022.
Yeah.
Item number 4.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner in this matter has a property in Reboy district. It's a fairly large property. Most of it is barren. Now, over the years, my lord, petitioner has felt the need to cut earth from time to time for leveling the ground to set up buildings, industries, etc. And whatever leftover earth is there to be disposed of. Now, earth, Lordship would be aware, cutting of earth is regulated by the Mines and Minerals Concession Rules of the state, my lord. Okay. If I can just quickly highlight two aspects from those rules, my lord. This is an extract from the rules, my lord, the relevant extract.
What are you extracting?
The rules, my lord. The Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rules. If Lordship kindly looks at definition under 2C, next page, my lord. Under the rules, my lord, the competent authority is includes the director, PCCF, and HOFF, PCCF being the principal chief conservator of forests, my lord. Now, under the rules itself, if Lordship kindly turns the page, rule number 3, exemption, there's a concept of exemption, my lord. So the rules will not apply, whatever requirements are there will not apply in certain cases. Sub-rule 2, my lord. Any extraction of minor minerals which is incidental in nature. So if I'm not engaged in the business of cutting earth as a profession, but because of construction, etc., earth gets cut, then the rules will not apply. However, if Lordship looks at the last line, the same page, provided that exemption certificate is obtained from competent authority. So, because petitioner, my lord, had a requirement for cutting of earth from time to time, permission was sought, my lord, and exemption was granted, my lord, page 38.
Page
38, my lord. This is dated 29th March 2019, my lord. Issued by the 19, long back, my lord.
So what are you doing? Does this exemption have a life?
No, it doesn't. That is very crucial.
You get a permission.
It is a
2010 you can take in 2023.
Yes, my lord. It is a quantity-based exemption. If I can just explain the body of the yes. Permission. With reference to the above, I am to convey approval for issuance of exemption certificate for cutting removal of ordinary clay, about 3,18,600 cubic meters in respect of Sri so-and-so district. In this matter, you may issue exemption certificate under rule so-and-so of the Meghalaya Minor Minerals so-and-so rules. Royalty and other dues to the government as applicable be realized from the applicant. This is for your so-and-so. So this is
where's the exemption certificate?
This is the exemption. I realize what Lordship is alluding to. It may be issued, it says. But beyond this, we've asked for a proper certificate based on this. They're saying that this is the only certificate.
No, that will not suffice. May issue when there must be other conditions that that will have to be fulfilled.
Lordship, appreciate that.
Maybe there might be a local inspection as to regard to the is there any inspection report as to the location of the land and the kind of minor minerals to be extracted?
Lordship, prior to issuance of this exemption order, there would have been the usual process followed.
Materials here.
Lordship, because the certificate is not in question here. The certificate is not in question here. At that time, 2019, based on this order, we had gone to the DFO, the Divisional Forest Officer, asking for a proper certificate to be issued. Yes. We were told that this is the only thing that is granted. There is no further certificate that is to be granted. In any event, my lord, what is important is, based on this exemption,
Yes.
We've been cutting earth from time to time over the years, my lord. Now, as Lordship had queried, is there a time limit for this certificate? There is no. It is a quantity based. So the quantity that we've been allowed to cut is 3,18,600 cubic meters. So based on that, we've been cutting from time to time.
Who keeps tabs on that? Are you cutting 3 lakh, you're cutting 4 lakh?
Lordship, I believe from time to time we have to give reports to the... it's not here, but there is material to that effect. I'll just come to that. Now, so what has been happening is we've been cutting earth from time to time. Recently, in the month of October, my lord, respondent number 2, being an executive magistrate from Nongpo, he landed up at that property along with a police force, and he stopped earth cutting activities. No reason was given as to why the stoppage has been conducted. More surprisingly, he directed the police to confiscate my equipment. There were 2 heavy machines out there, earth cutting machines. One was a loader, one was a dumper. Both have been confiscated. Police have been directed to ensure that no further earth cutting is conducted. Petitioner inquired later on from the respondent number 2 as to why this has happened. No reason has been extended. Most shockingly, my lord, the entire exercise conducted on 13 October was done verbally. Verbal directions were issued. Prior to that, no show cause was given to me. No explanation was sought. Nothing. Out of the blue, respondent number 2 landed up with the police force, confiscated my machinery, and issued a verbal direction for the police to ensure that no further earth cutting is conducted. So we inquired from respondent number 2. Respondent number 2 asked us for documents based on which we have been conducting this earth cutting. We showed him the exemption. His, again verbal, his opinion was this is an old exemption from 2019. Get a fresh exemption. Now, fresh exemption under the rules is not possible. Lordship also would have seen it is not a time-bound exemption. It is a quantity-bound
exemption. All in the air, Mr. Jindal.
Yes, it is. I agree.
Notice now, you just find common instruction.
Lordship.
The thing is that, see, one thing that doesn't sit pretty is that this is 19.
Yes.
How much extracted, where the exemption
if I can just...
What is the other consequential, actions are taken?
If I can just point out, if Lordship looks at page 51,
yes.
Now, page 51 is an affidavit that I have submitted to the respondent number 3 in Nongpo. It contains a description of whatever cutting has been done. As on date, I have cut only 35,370.
Who say that? That's yourself, sir.
Lordship, the reason which has been given for stopping my activity is not because, according to respondent, I have...
Mr. Jindal, because still on the materials which are before, no professor, like funny interim order has been made out.
Yes.
Anyway,
Lordship, my equipment, if I can humbly pray, my equipment is lying in a...
another week won't matter. It was seized on 13th October.
This was on 13th October, my lord. This was on 13th October.
30th of November.
In that case, my lord, if Lordship is not inclined, because similar...
Not inclined right now. We'll hear...
Absolutely. Appreciate that. If I can request, my lord...
Issue notice, we do want separate affidavits from the forest and from the...
My lord, forest is not even made party in this case.
Then then it's incompetent petition.
Let them file a response from their side. I'll include them, my lord.
Anyway, who's the advice? Yes. Mr. N. can accept on behalf of the respondents and please wait out 1 week's time to obtain instructions. This thereafter are concerned.
Interim to be considered at that stage, if required, madam. Obliged.
Item number 5.
Obliged.
Yes.
This is an application under 226, my lord, where my late husband, my lord, who was the DMHO of West Jaintia Hills, my lord, he met with an accident, my lord. What happened, my lord? If my lord can we come to annexure Annexure 2, my lord, page 28, my lord. This is a notification which was issued by the Deputy Commissioner Joy, my lord, on 18 June 2022.
In November, page 28.
28, yes, my lord. Annexure 2, my lord.
Yes.
In this notice, my lord, they say, my lord, that road goes to Sintuk Ser, my lord, to Chirmang Road, my lord, which is almost a length of 4 kilometers, was totally damaged due to the natural calamities, my lord, which ultimately creates inconvenience and endanger the life of the human being for commute through the road and eventually may cause loss to the human lives unless immediately prevented, my lord. Now this road was closed, my lord, and 144 CRPC was imposed, my lord.
Yes.
And then my husband was traveling to that road, my lord. There was no such indication.
When did he pass away?
He passed away, he fall down, my lord.
So when did the accident happen?
The accident happened, my lord, on 7th, 12th, my lord.
7/12/2022.
Yes, my lord. At this stage, my lord, I'm just praying for a notice.
Yes, MS, who's appealing for the government?
Lordship.
Yes.
Are we accepting notice for all the respondents, Lordship?
No, but the thing is that after this notice under 144, nothing, no repair. Then why did he travel? Was allowed to travel on this road?
No, we was not aware, my lord. There was no signboard. Normally, when the road is
closed,
the road was not closed, my lord. That's why, my lord, I fall down. My late husband, along with the baby, my lord, fall down around 90 feet in a gorge, my lord.
The road.
Yes, my lord. May kindly see page 36, my lord. The photo of the road, my lord, and the vehicle. Luckily, my minor daughter, she is still alive, my lord, but she received injury, my lord.
But Mr. SD, competition issue notice, MSNG Shilla Leonard Sineji is present except on behalf of all respondents.
Lordship.
No further was called for list after 3 weeks for instructions affidavit. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 6.
May it please your lordship.
Yes,
My lord, a very limited question here is, my lord, the villagers are aggrieved, my lord, for non-conduct of the election for the post of Sardar, because the incumbent Sardar, according to the villagers, have lost confidence of the people, my lord. So earlier, my lord, we have filed a political appeal, and the political appeal was disposed of without hearing us, my lord, without hearing on a merit. So because of that, my lord, we have come before this honorable court, and this honorable, then while pending this honorable court, we have withdrawn with a liberty to file to seek alternative remedy. Thereafter, my lord, three representations and petitions were filed before the Sirdar, my lord. Sirdar did nothing, my lord. Thereafter, then we went to the district council. Now the district council has passed an order in 4 lines, saying that we have already passed an order.
Where is the order?
That is page 29, my lord.
Dated?
This is the dated is 13th November 2023, my lord.
Yes.
May I read, my lord? Since the petition filed by Bistarlan Paryong, Tinhyang village, Nonglang Sirraship, on perusal of the petition, it is found that the executive committee has taken up this matter earlier and disposed it. White so-and-so, 27 April 2022. Therefore, the matter could not be taken up. Hence, this appeal petition is hereby rejected. Let copy of this order be issued to the petitioner, my lord. So, my lord, all we wanted was, my lord, hear us on merit, because this order which they have referred.
What happened now? Now, just come back to the, to your villagers. You want a new Sardar in Nonglang.
We want a new Sardar. We want a.
No, Paryong, sorry.
Paryong, my lord. We want an election,
what village?
My lord.
Tinhyang village, this village.
Tinhyang village, my lord.
New headman, new Sardar for Tinhyang village.
Yes, my lord.
What are the grounds? Is he still there?
The respondent, my lord, the private respondent.
Respondent here?
Yes, my lord. Desmond Roy, he is still the Sardar, my lord.
No, why agree with him?
Because, my lord,
can't be removed just on the will and wish of the people.
Exactly, my lord.
Majority.
My lord, that is what we are asking. Because earlier also, my lord, there was a complaint against him on certain allegations, my lord, and also because the people have lost the confidence with.
How do you say they lost the confidence? Detractors will always be there.
My lord.
Who will not be happy with anybody A, B, or C.
My lord.
Does it mean that you file an application or petition for calling for fresh elections?
My lord.
Without removing the early incumbent?
My lord, inquiry first. The inquiry first, my lord.
You wanted inquiry to be done?
Yes, my lord.
What happened when you filed for inquiry? Did the CM or Sardar Nonglang do anything?
Yes. No. What happened thereafter, my lord? What inquiry was done, and there was also a direction from the district council to conduct since 2018 to Sirdar.
To whom was the direction given?
18.
No, to whom was the direction given?
The district council has given it since 2013. There is one direction. 2016 there was another direction to the Sirdar, my lord.
Sirdar Nonglang.
To the Sirdar Nonglang village to conduct. He didn't do anything, but surprisingly, my lord, the incumbent was restored back as a Sordar, my lord.
No, was he suspended?
He was suspended. He was suspended for a time being.
Been in office for how long?
My lord, he has been in office since 2013, my lord.
Tinyang village.
Tinyang village, my lord.
He's been in office since
2013, my lord.
2013.
My lord.
So complaints from that time started.
Complaints started.
And then you file before the council, and they directed that the Sirdar Nonglang to institute inquiry.
To institute inquiry in the meantime. Yes.
Did you inquiry report to the council, or there was nothing done?
My lord, that I have to
You have to be aware of your facts.
My lord.
What happened? See, there's a process in all these things.
Yes.
Suppose section of villages, there must be some oppression or discrimination by the traditional head, whatever.
Yes, my lord.
Then they can file a complaint first before the chief. In this case, Mr. Sirdar Nonglang.
Yes.
They don't have his aim. So then he will take it up, and if you agree with that, then you have another level of appeal before the executive committee.
Yes.
Now, whether in the first instance you were aggrieved with the actions of this the headman, did you file a complaint for the Sirdar?
Yes.
Yes. Then it went to district council.
District council.
Then there was a direction for inquiry.
For inquiry and
was
for
any inquiry report generated?
Inquiry report was generated, my lord.
Then what does the inquiry report say?
My lord, inquiry report says, my lord, that the people have lost confidence, but it was a split. It was a split report, my lord.
What is a split report? Some are happy, some are sad.
Some are happy, some said that's a split report, my lord. But the thing,
you come up with the sequence, no, Mr. Yubin, so we'll understand also. If you're seeking relief, at least help the court also.
My lord, this is page 115, my lord. May I just take to page 115 onwards, my lord? Sure. Wait, I'll just do. My lord, let it come tomorrow, my lord. I'll just prepare with the facts, my lord.
See, thing is, like what happens is based on, like on whims and fancies of a small section. So we keep on raising these issues. You understand? Sometimes it affects the functioning of the also. Anyway,
but I'll just place the entire facts, my lord, on Monday.
Praise him without some time to prepare the matter fully. This is the matter on Monday.
Monday, my lord. All right.
Meanwhile, you obtain charges on Mr. Kinta, because what happened? I can't make up the sequence.
Actually, there is a referendum conducted by the Sirdar, and in that referendum, it appears that the majority are still in favor of the.
Then that settles the matter. Then Jibril comes and
in fact, originally there was a direction from the executive committee in 2016, directing the Sirdar to hold fresh election. It appears that no election was held. Finally, a referendum was conducted. The Sardar, not Sirdar,
had confidence with.
Had still have confidence.
You will see. You come with the materials.
Will come.
Item number 2.
Because you have to show illegality. You understand? If you're coming, you have to show like in which way your right will infringe or what or natural justice or something. Yes.
But in this matter, my lord, we were supposed to take instructions, my lord, in terms of your lordship's last order.
Regarding?
There was some, my lord, in view of the affidavit filed by the respondent, my lord, the primary respondent, my lord, they say that, my lord, my land is different from their land. So, in fact, my land is no way affected by the order.
1, 2, 3, they file affidavit?
They have not, my lord.
No, my lord.
Mr. Hassan?
Yes, my lord.
You are appealing for whom?
And for 1, 2, 3, my lord, we are not filing an affidavit. This is a review petition, my lord.
They are not required to, but
then why is it come up today for what?
Respondent hearing. That filed the affidavit.
So we'll dismiss the review then?
No, not required. Not here they have filed the affidavit, my lord. They have filed the affidavit. On the basis of affidavit, my lord, we can dispose this of. I'm only.
Where's the affidavit? You filed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What does the affidavit say?
Yes, ma'am.
Respondent number 4, my lord.
Respondent 4, ma'am. I have filed. at para 6, my lord, I have it.
This is wrong.
So your claim separate?
Yes, my lord. It's adjacent land, my lord.
They say so, my lord. So even
And
my lord,
moreover, they have
called
filed
for
one appeal before.
Have you given a copy to Mr. Day?
My lord.
Just now he has supplied me a copy.
Can you examine it, Mr. Day?
I will examine it. Let it come. Come on, week, my lord, I will take instruction
You
also.
don't need to take, if you read it, you'll understand.
No, they are saying that there is two different land, my lord, now.
That's
we
why
have
he's supporting his case. Yes, an affidavit been filed, we have responded before. Copies been made over to Mr. and stop been before stop. A copy of the same has also been made over to the Mr. SDA Council for 123, who seeks 1 week's time to obtain proper instruction. Listen. Yes.
Item number 3.
Lordship, in this matter, I have already filed affidavit raising the question of maintainability. And copies also, soft copy also was out, and hard copy I gave yesterday.
Ready for hearing?
Lord,
Yes, Mr. Thomas.
Lordship, because I could not lay my hand on the replay. Lordship may fix it for arguments. In the meantime, if a rejoinder is required, I will file a rejoinder. Otherwise, post it for argument, Lordship.
A copy, an objection in writing to the maintainability of the instant application has been filed by the respondent. Stop. Next para, Mr. George Thomas, the counsel petitioner, submits that he has not been able to peruse the same and pays the matter be listed after 1 week.
Lordship, date may be fixed 12th December. 12th December.
12th is what day? It's a holiday, I think.
12th December.
Yes, you picked like the one red in the whole week, the one red date you picked out.
Then 6th December.
6th December?
6.
It won't be ready. It's only next week. I will be after 1 week. This is the matter and so for.
No, 6th December, I have some difficulty.
Yes, when?
After
Give the
a week,
date.
after a week.
After a week for further consideration.
Any date suitable to Lordship after
They will give a
8,
date, yes.
after 8, any date suitable.
In the meanwhile, if they so desire, they may file the affidavit.
Yes, reply to the objection may be filed in the meanwhile, if so advised.
Item number 4.
Obliged, Lordship.
What happened for the trial court?
My lord,
nothing.
The trial court sits at 3 p.m., my lord. So the matter will be taken up at 3.
Today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the same matter where the association has filed the suit on behalf of its members without making them a party, having no right to relief, my lord, under Order 1, Rule 1. Also,
Yeah.
my lord, there's no power attorney as required under Order 3, Rule 2 also, my lord. And from the statements made in the plaint, it is very clear that there's no cause of action, my lord. So, my lord, we had preferred an application under 711, my lord.
Was the final disposal before the trial court finally disposed or
It's disposed, my lord.
on the 711 application?
It's disposed of. my lord.
Disposed of.
Rejected. my
So
lord.
This is CRP against that, my lord. So, my lord, we filed a 711, my lord, on the ground of, my lord.
Yeah, I remember this matter. Last time it come up.
Yes, my lord.
Young Mr. Yubin was here.
Yes, my lord. My lord, basically what they're saying is expressly barred by law. Number one thing, because there's no privity of contract with the association. Number two is because it's barred by Section 61 of the MUDA of the section Town Country Planning Act, my lord. So, my lord, the review petition, my lord, it's very narrow, my lord. Revision petition, my lord, as it. And my lord, here they'll have to show what is the patent error, my lord. Here, the court has all these questions that have been used, that has been raised, my lord. This is a subject matter of trials, my lord. Now, when we look at the prayers that we met, my lord, in my suit, my lord. The prayer is very clear, my lord. I have only filed for a declaration, a suit for a declaration whether the notification enhancing an exorbitant amount of rent, my lord.
Yes.
Whether it's illegal or it's not illegal, my lord. Now, my lord, as an association, because we are a registered association, my lord, and they would say that today the association is a defunct association. Be as it may be, my lord. There is an authority given by all the shopkeepers authorizing the secretary of the association to institute the suit for whom? For on behalf of everybody. Now, my lord, I will put a question to myself, my lord. The association is raising a question, my lord, declare whether an exorbitant enhancement of rent is legal, arbitrary or not. Now, even if 100 of association individual members come before the court, they would all be raising the same question.
No, 100 associations, no. Okay. So your declaration you seek only for questioning that notification.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Has been increased.
Yes, my lord. So therefore,
umbrella.
My lord. So therefore, where is the question? Where is it expressly barred by law, my lord?
The question expressly barred, Ms. Yoban, you see, you're an association, correct?
My lord.
Now, it's not against a blanket order of. Now, it's only for enhancement of rent.
Yes,
correct?
my lord. Yes.
Now, your jurisdiction or your judicial relation with the MUDA is how? It's through a tenancy agreement, correct?
The individuals are through the tenancy agreement.
By the individual terms of the contract,
yes,
correct?
Yes.
Are they all the same?
My lord. No, they are all the same, my lord.
There are three. The same, word for word, the term and everything.
Yes, the agreement we can see, we can read.
For all those allottees.
Allottees, yes.
All the same.
Yes, all the same. 3 categories are there, my lord. I will just point out what are the 3 categories, ma'am. But before that, my lord, I will just show page 24. 24. That is why I say that only a declaration. When we file only a declaration, my lord, declaration to certain acts of the state is illegal, my lord. Anybody can file.
Why is it illegal, Mr. Yoban?
Because, my lord, now, and my lord, on what basis 100% increase of rent has been, on what logic that has been calculated, my lord? They may say fair rent control, they may say standard rent. So how do you calculate? That is a subject matter of trial. So, my lord, here I see
where you want
page 24, my lord, declaring.
Yes.
Declaring that the impugned notification number so and so is
How did you file for arbitrariness before the trial court?
Declaration, my lord. Declaration of the enhanced amount, my lord.
The enhanced from what amount to what amount?
My lord, for that, my lord, I'll come back to page 18 and 19.
Just a ballpark figure of how many times is the enhancement done? Double.
My lord, see, for sorry.
Let's see notification. Where is it? The next that 24th May 2023.
The notification. Just give me a minute. Where? Notification. This is the more. Notification. Just give me a second.
91.
Page 91.
What does it say? What does it say, Mr. Yoban? Just read it out.
My lord, yes.
91.
Page 91. Notification, my lord. It is hereby notified that the monthly rent of shops at Meghalaya Urban Development Authority shopping complex cum parking lot at Police Bazaar will be enhanced as indicated below. The new rates will be effective from April 23 for all municipal stalls, new allotted stalls and bids portion. All municipal stalls rupees 68 per square feet, new allotted stalls 49 per square feet, bank premises 45, we are not concerned with this, bid portion 33 per square feet, my lord. Now, my lord, when we calculate this, I have calculated this one, my lord.
No, it's okay, that's fine. But it's a general notification to all. See, but the thing is that the allottees are directed. All stallers are directed to execute fresh agreement.
Yes, my lord.
So there's a personal grievance, everybody. So if you don't have a substantive contract with the MUDA, that means they have a point privity of contract.
My lord, now, my lord.
There's no juristic relationship between the association and MUDA. The contract is between A and B. You are a C entity.
My lord, I follow what what
How do you
falls,
seek to
my lord.
to to maintain a cause of action in the sense that you have not come? It's a specific notification, correct? All state authorities are directed is give fresh agreement.
My lord,
so it's for them to go individually before the authorities to say that look, it's unreasonable or.
My lord, this has been taken. This has been taken by the association by way of a representation, to which they have also acknowledged, and we have also set the meeting, my lord. Set the meeting, bargaining.
It's already been resolved.
It has not been resolved. They said
No,
we will
resolved,
reduce.
I mean.
I'm sorry.
No, against notification, he had a meeting. He said.
Yes, yes.
It's been resolved.
It has not been resolved. That's why we are before the court, my
What
lord.
was the
Because
outcome of that meeting?
outcome of the meeting, they say that they will reduce it by 2%. By 2 rupees. By 2 rupees, sorry.
Okay.
So we are not agreeable to. What we are saying is that, my lord, today also, because we are representing the interest of all our members, my lord. So therefore, my lord, it will create multiplicity of suits, my lord. All will come and ask the same questions. So now what happens is, my lord, here. When we went and approached them, my lord, and they have acknowledged us also. They have acknowledged us, the association, they have acknowledged the association. The bargaining was doing with the association, my lord. So today they cannot say that you have no legs to stand. Otherwise, or you have no interest over. If not, then because it's going to affect every member of the association.
Correct. But the thing is that now we have come by a formal proceeding by way of suit.
Yes.
And so you have to abide by the by law. That's, I think, the only case is that.
My lord.
The privity contract very clear.
My lord. Privity of contract is very clear, my lord. But the registration of the Societies Act, we are registered under that.
No,
also says a suit.
Suit last time, suppose you said you'll sell a cycle to Mr. Nongbri. And Mr. Nongbri promised his junior that the moment Mr. Yubin sells me the cycle, I'll give it to you. Now you don't sell it to him, he can't sue you to say that why you not sold a cycle to Mr. Nongbri. He has no contractual, no jurisdiction relations between you and him. It's between you two.
My lord.
That's privity contract, basically.
My lord, that's
He might stand to gain. You all association might stand to gain collectively, but you don't have a direct relation with the with the landlord.
Yes. My lord, that is why I started my argument with saying that, my lord, it's only a declaration. Whether declaration of that exorbitant enhancement of amount is patently illegal or not, or is
That's
it?
one point. Next point.
My lord, and my lord, the second point is this, my lord. They're saying that Section 61 has not been complied, my lord. Section 61 of the Act says, my lord, that 2 months' notice.
It's the next.
Yes, my lord. It's been reproduced here by my lord in the order, my lord. It has been reproduced, page 118, my lord.
Town Country Planning Act. Town and Country Planning Act.
Kindly have page 200.
Is reproduced here?
Page 200, the Act.
It's reproduced here, okay. So they've come with technical objections.
They have come with technical objections, my lord.
100 and?
200. It starts at page 200 and relevant portion, section 61 is at page 203. Section 61.
My lord, may I just read very quickly, my lord? Bar to suit and prosecutions in certain cases. No suit, prosecution or other proceeding shall lie against as authority or any officer or servant thereof, or any person seeing under their directions, or any government officer or servant employed for all purposes of this Act for anything which is in good faith done in pursuance of this Act, or any rules made thereunder. No suit, prosecution, or any other proceeding shall lie against any officer or servant of the authority and other government officer or servant employed for the purpose of this Act for anything done under this Act, unless previous sanction of the state government has been obtained and until the expiry of 2 months after notice in waiting has been given to the person.
Filing the suit.
So, my lord, we have sought an exemptions, my lord, from the court under section 80, clause 2, my lord, and that has been given to us, my lord, by order dated.
The court say the reason for exemption?
I'll just place that order. They have not placed this order, so I'll just place that order, my lord. This is the exemption application. The order needs to be read. That's the order.
Why not next it, Mr. Nongri? The order?
Can we read the provision properly? May I just explain?
Let him finish.
There's a section.
Let him finish.
Yes,
Step laten bhai, हाँ.
Yes.
Original. Original. May I just give the original, my lord. Original. That's the one. My lord, this is the exemption to my lord, exemption. She has gone into complete details, my lord. Complete details of the reasoning.
Okay.
Reasoning.
Dispense to notice,
my lord. Yes. And then, my lord, now.
Just one clarification, my lord.
Yes.
There are two parts of section 61, my lord. The first part, 61(1), my lord, is no suit shall lie against the authority. The second one, which was read by my learned friend,
officer or servant.
Officer or servant. It is only against officer or servant where you require sanction and notice period. But as far as 61(1) is concerned, it's a complete bar, my lord.
Okay.
Now, my lord, I will humbly submit that they have raised the same issue, my lord, at the show cause, my lord. Show cause, my lord, 21st, that 21st July, my lord. 21st July is a very clear order, my lord. And in that also, my lord, when they file a show cause for injunction.
On this point of doctrine of privity of contract, what is the finding of the trial court?
No, that the
what is the finding rendered by the trial court in that?
The finding is that doctrine of substantial representation will apply.
The lower court says, my lord, at page 211, para 10, bottom, the first ground taken by the learned counsel for the petitioner is that the maintainability of the suit, and this ground is not one of the grounds mentioned in sub-rule A to F, hence the plaint in the title suit cannot be rejected. When we are saying it is barred by doctrine of privity of contract, it means under 711A, my lord, there is no cause of action. From a plain reading of
yes,
the...
of course. I mean, maintainability can mean anything. What is the main ground for rejection? That's the main ground.
That is one ground, my lord. And the second ground is on D, my lord. On D, if your lordships have the plaint, they themselves make a statement at para 3 of the plaint that the defendant, my lord, the sole defendant, the defendant is a department of the government of Meghalaya set up with a view to concentrate on the problems of urbanization in the state as many new townships and subdivision headquarters were coming up and Shillong was facing the pangs of growth. The department was created to give more emphasis on urban planning and urban administration and to achieve better coordination in planning, development, management, urban centers. According, the defendants have developed many shopping centers across the state. So their statement in their plaint itself indicates that the authority acts under an act, my lord. Under an act.
Okay.
And
only that I'm bothered more the finding with regard to
my lord.
See if they've discussed that finding that she's
my lord. This impugned order, which they have come for revision before this honourable court, my lord, the 13th October 2023, my lord, it has to be read along with order dated to 21st July 2023, my lord. My lord,
It cannot be that long. If an order it has
because
to merge.
the same, my lord, the same ground has been taken, and there is an appeal. There is an appeal against this order also, my lord.
Let's go straight to the order. Yes, we have not seen the order.
Just for clarification, my lord, 711, my lord, has 6 grounds. I am entitled to file 6 separate applications, my lord. My lord, at page 210 is the impugned order. A 2.5 page order.
21.7 is a
21.7
order
is
39 application.
Yes, my lord. In this one, my lord, she has given the same grounds were taken, my lord, and against this there is an appeal pending before the before the additional sessions, the district and session court, my lord. And also, my lord, they have filed a written statement also now. They have subject themselves to the trial also.
Yes, for motion today.
My lord, for consideration on the interim, my lord, because I'm asking for stay of the entire proceedings, my lord.
My lord, if entire proceeding is gone, then my suit becomes rendered infructuous there. Because then, my lord, I won't be having any status quo order. Then they will impose on me to the new rate. And if not, then I'll be subject to the evictions.
As on today, no agreements are subsisting, my lord.
Exactly,
They've all
that is-
expired. Now, on the basis of that, my lord,
We
status
examine
quo.
that.
My lord,
See,
what
the
we
only
are-
thing, see, Mr. Yubin,
My lord,
you,
my
understand, you come ready next date. Is
My
that
lord.
how sustainable is the impugned order? Correct.
My lord,
Because
yes.
if certain pointed objections have been made under application of 711 as to, why the speech be rejected.
My lord.
Correct, and should be returned. Why that no cause of action has been made out? Now you come prepare on that.
My lord.
Especially bring some doctrine of privacy of contract also.
My lord.
That's it, because if the order, if you see, it has not discussed why it has rejected 711 application, then this court naturally have to examine it.
My lord.
Is it correct? They have not. The court has not examined it at all.
Not examined.
In detail as to why the 711 should be rejected. No.
My lord, that is why I was saying that it has to, because the same ground they have taken, 2 grounds in the show cause they have taken, 2 same grounds they have taken before the appeal also, my lord. So this 21/7 order, it's a very detailed order, my lord. Perhaps the court must have thought that I've already passed a detailed order here, and they keep on coming order 7. Perhaps I wouldn't say that
You can't go on perhaps.
is wrong, my lord.
You can't go on perhaps. You see, you can't perhaps. It has to be definite.
Well, I'll come.
If an application has been filed,
My lord.
no, it has to be answered.
My lord. My
But
lord.
if how it's answered is not,
My lord.
it will not meet the
My lord.
the legal requirements, then.
My lord.
So that's the thing. We'll dispose of the next date if we are ready.
My lord.
We'll dispose of, because it's only on that ground that no reason has been.
My lord,
has been shown.
my lord, if subject to my lord's convenience and subject to what my learned senior would say, my lord, if we can take it on 11, 11.
I'm his colleague, not a senior.
If it's taken on 11 for disposal, my lord, 11th of December, my lord. If it can take it for disposal, because
My lord, in fact, if these proceedings are stayed, my lord, I'll make a statement that I will not take any coercive actions.
No, that the
But
court
these
will decide.
proceedings have to be stayed.
What-
It's open for them to come to us, my lord, and negotiate, my lord.
what we are aggrieved is, my lord, only with, we are not saying that don't increase the rent. We are saying that increase the rent.
But counsel for the parties, as further consideration is necessary, this is the matter for admission hearing on 11 December.
My lord.
Meanwhile, status quo as to.
Maintain.
Yes.
My lord. Obliged.
The entire suit, yes.
My lord.
Status quo as to entire proceedings. Yes.
My lord.
Item
My
number 5.
lord, the proceedings will have to be stayed.
Yes,
Status
okay,
quo.
yes, the further proceedings in the so on social state till the next date.
But no coercive action against us, my lord.
Status quo will maintain.
My lord. Obliged. Lord.
Interesting point.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, we have filed our rejoinder affidavit. My lord, this matter may be listed for hearing. My lord.
Why hearing? What do you see in your rejoinder?
They have brought new course of action. Instead of responding to my show cause, instead they are trying to justify the contempt petition by bringing more points, more vidaras
What
in
is this?
My lord, it's a pen drive, my lord, because...
I know the pen drive. What do you have inside?
That, my lord, the publications in the in T7, my lord, some statement made by the contempt member.
Lordship, I have no objection to the prayer for adjournment, but it may be open for me to respond to these new allegations, Lordship, made in the rejoinder.
Yes. Yes.
I have no objection to the thing, but I may be allowed to.
Rejoinder. If the rejoinder addresses something which has not been brought up in it's not connected with the instant matter, then we won't consider it.
I wanted to say, it may be open, I may file, I may not file, Your Lordship.
I will not say anything.
Yes.
Yes. Just after 1 week.
Your Lordship, he's asking 2 weeks. I have no objection to that. I have
2 weeks, yes.
Much better.
For hearing. The rejoinder has been filed by the petitioner. There's a matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
This is that matter regarding constitution of WAP board, Lordship. Lordship, we were supposed to file rejoinder, Lordship. I am seeking 2 weeks time, Lordship.
How many times you asked me, Chanda?
Lordship,
this is the 5th time.
No, Lordship, because the issue of notice with regards to the private respondent was subsisting at that point of time, so Lordship.
You don't need to file rejoinder, that means.
We need, Lordship, because the state respondent has raised various issues, Lordship.
You're taking too much time.
Lordship, 2 weeks maybe we will file it, Lordship.
Mr. Chanda's response allowed for the 2 weeks. A last opportunity to file rejoinder.
7.
May it please Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Respondent 4, Your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner? He was here just now. How much time?
Your Lordship, 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
What a 2 weeks time is create allowed to the respondent number?
4, Your Lordship.
4 to file
Your Lordship, my only prayer is that if it may be listed on the 19th, there's another similar connected
You
matter.
file the affidavit first.
Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Item number 8.
May I please, Your Lordship, we take
Yes.
steps, Lordship.
You have taken steps.
Yes, Lordship. Some more time.
Yes, officer indicates that service is not yet complete on respond 1 and 2. List after 2 weeks, police service report. Yes.
9.
This is Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, pleading are complete, Your Lordship. Matter may be fixed for hearing. After vacation, Your Lordship.
No rejoinder.
Already filed, Your Lordship. Already filed.
Party submit the pleas are complete. The list is matter for hearing after vacation.
Apply, Your Lordship.
10.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the private respondent, they are yet to file their affidavit.
I am for respondent number 6, 7 and 8, Your Lordship. We will file our counter affidavit during the course of the day.
Yeah, Mr.
M. Latman.
So and so for response 6 to 8 submits this after be filed in the course of the day. Just after you want to file rejoinder after 2 weeks for further orders. Yes.
11.
Yes.
Your Lordship, my affidavit is ready, but there is some mistakes here.
Your Lordship, it's been 6 months since I filed
What
this
mistakes are
petition.
there?
Some typing mistake and then annexure also not clear.
Your Lordship, this is a matter about a woman not having any sources of income to provide for her sustenance.
Your Lordship, as per this
Every day
affidavit,
will meter it. Every day 1,000. Any delay it is.
Your Lordship, there's this ready, but this...
Ready, fine. Ready means you have to pay at the most 1,000 rupees only. You'll file it by tomorrow. Otherwise, you'll never file affidavit. 6 months.
6 months, Your Lordship.
I
So
recently
you
got...
name how much will you pay? You just say, all accept that amount. How many times you've taken for affidavit?
I've taken two times, Your Lordship.
2 times only. Okay, you grant him within 1 week. Mr. Adebnath submits the affidavit will be filed within 1 week. Yes.
12.
Yes, thereafter also. File it.
I'm filing my affidavit during the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Yes. So, Mr. Ibrahim submits the affidavit, we have to respond to the course of the day. Just after 2 weeks for rejoinder of any.
Hello, pleasure.
13.
Let's go to again. 1 to 4.
May I please, Your Lordship, humbly pray, Your Lordship, 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file affidavit.
When was this filed?
Your Lordship, this is filed on 19 July 2023.
On?
19 July 2023.
Okay, for the 2 weeks time as
3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
For the 3 weeks time as it's allowed to MS Ranjay and Raji on behalf of respond to file activities.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
14.
The respondent number 7 has filed his reply received yesterday, my lord.
What about number 6?
Number 6 is yet to enter appearance, my lord.
My lord, here I am the affected party because my appointment has been stayed, my lord. For a moment, my lord. If my lord kindly see his writ petition, lord, that is the order on the basis of which the petitioner is claiming that he was allowed to act as the in-charge headmaster of this school, lordship. For a moment, kindly, lordship, come to page 20, lordship. There is no such order, either by the managing committee or through the state respondent, to allow the petitioner to act as the in-charge headmaster of this school, lordship. Page 20, lordship, Annex 3.
Yes.
This is a letter issued by the respondent number 5 to the respondent number 4, lordship. Forwarding of application documents so and so. On this subject cited above, on verifying the documents of the teachers of Nalbari so and so, the headmaster Sri so and so has already attained the age of superannuation on so and so. Therefore, the senior most teacher of so and so is to be given the temporary charge. Is to be given the temporary charge with effect from so and so rectorship to look after the administration of the school till the new managing form. In this regard, the former headmaster is to be released from the post of headmaster in the absence of regular managing committee since 2016. And the necessary order is to be issued from here and for calling general meeting. Further, the former headmaster is requested to hand over all the documents relating to the school administration to the acting headmaster for necessary actions. I am forwarding so and so. In response to this letter, the respondent number 4 did not pass any order, lordship. Now, lordship, kindly see the input letter, lordship. Input letter, that is at page 28, lordship. May I read, lordship?
Yes.
Pursuant to the recommendation of the school managing committee, resolution number so and so, dated so and so, and based on the inquiry report so and so, recommendation of the block mission. This is the second inquiry report, lordship. After the constitution of the managing committee, then the managing committee resolved. Then they have taken a decision. Then after that, there was an inquiry with regard to the proceeding. Byte number so and so, Sri so and so is hereby removed from the ex officio member convener. Nowhere says that he has been removed from the post of in-charge headmaster of the school. Lordship, ex officio headmaster and ex officio member and ex officio headmaster is two different things, lordship.
No, hereby removed from the ex officio member. Convener of Nalbari. And he is still functioning in charge headmaster.
No, after the stay, lordship, after the stay, my lordship.
After the?
My lordship has stayed this order, lordship.
Right.
Now
then what happened?
Now he is allowing, he is allowed. Now nowhere says that he was allowed to act as the headmaster of the school. Even the interim order did not say that he has been removed from the post of headmaster. Because since there was no order at all.
No, therefore, come back this 13 January 22 order. On such matter, so and so read the third line. Therefore, the senior most teacher, Sri Hepat, which is the petitioner, is to begin temporary charge of headmaster with effect from 30th November 2021, retrospectively to administration of school till new SMC is formed. Now, SMC has been formed.
SMC has been formed.
And then SMC kicked him out.
Not came out because since there is no.
Why they kicked him out?
No, Lordship, he is not, he is a matriculate, Lordship. He is a matriculate, and for the post of headmaster, and myself is BA and that training, that diet, which is a mandatory
So
qualification.
you kicked him out, I mean, you removed him because he's not qualified.
Not,
or because
my
of
lord,
some personal animosity.
My lord, kindly appreciate one thing. He was never been appointed as the in-charge headmaster of the school.
And that letter says so? Temporary charge?
No, that is a recommendation, Lordship, suggestion.
My lord, after that, at Annexure 4, page 22, the same SDSO has
on the
issued.
block mission coordinator, he says that therefore the senior teacher Shri Hepat is to be given temporary charge of headmaster.
Yes, my lord.
It's not a suggestion.
Is to be given, Lordship. That is
Yes.
the final order has to be passed by the respondent number 4,
Too
Lordship.
complicated to understand.
My lord, thereafter, at page 22, the
One second, wait,
SDSO...
Mr. Singh.
Is to be given. This
What
is
inquiry report is this? Was he given chance to take part?
no inquiry with regard to that is.
To what inquiry is this? Did he take part in inquiry?
My lord, we are there.
In all these schools, these things happen. Someone else comes, some new managing committee comes, remove the old ones.
Not new managing committee, my lord. Even if otherwise, Lordship. Even if otherwise, that is an appointment order, Lordship. His appointment will last till the new managing committee is constituted and formed.
No, but see, fine. If the new managing has come and it decides, but headmaster's different post, member managing committee is different post.
Yes,
now the thing is that now a new SMC kicks him out from all these convener, this and that, and then that means automatically also temporary charge will go. Where's the order whereby there's a new headmaster been given charge? Where's that order?
Lordship, that is the impune order, Lordship. That is why I'm coming into order.
No.
My lord, this impune order come all of a sudden, my lord.
Impune order says his removal was not as the in-charge headmaster. His removal was only as an ex officio convener, not as the in-charge headmaster. Since there was no order to that effect.
Ex officio means they are the headmaster.
No. That is the
by virtue of the post, my lord.
Yes,
sir.
May I please, Your Lordship, I humbly beg to submit that, Your Lordship, there was inquiry against the petitioner. Because
Did you take part in inquiry or not?
yes, Your Lordship. Let's just
Have you filed affidavit?
yes, already filed. But
And
yes,
he could
I have
not-
provided
My lord, kindly see
copy
the impune
also.
order. He could not produce the letter by which he was appointed as the in-charge headmaster. Even the letter also said the police.
He was never appointed in charge. He was given temporary charge.
Temporary charge.
Yes,
And
sir.
just
And
for
after that, my
officiating.
lord, after that managing committee was constituted, my lord, I was the ex officio at page 24, my lord. Annexure 6, my lord.
Of your petition.
My read petition, my lord.
Then?
Serial number 3, Hypothali, ex officio, member, convener. Thereafter, my lord, again SDSU has issued another letter at page 25, next page, my lord, Annexure 7, whereby the, may I read, my lord?
Yes.
Letter of authority, specimen signature of selected chairperson and ex officio member, convener / headmaster, my lord, of
Now,
Nolbari.
one thing, Mr. Sheikh, next year 8, page 26, this is the meeting by which the new managing committee was constituted.
Yes, ma'am.
3rd February 2022.
Yes, Lordship.
Then he was selected unanimously.
Yes, ma'am.
This is only for constitutional managing committee, Lordship.
Right. We understand that. Don't try to confuse the court. We understand that.
Lordship,
Let's mix it. Just
Yes.
put that temporary headmaster aside, in charge headmaster.
Yes, Lordship.
Take it out from your
Yes,
from your
Lordship.
submissions. Correct.
Yes, Lordship.
Now the only thing is that he was given temporary charge, so we can find till a new managing committee is constituted. Correct.
Yes.
Now in this new managing committee, as per the materials which you don't dispute, he has been made ex officio member convener, selected unanimously. Okay. Now you say that after that there was an inquiry where he's been removed. Correct.
Not inquiry, Lordship.
What then? Just now you said based on inquiry he's been
Inquiry-
removed as ex officio member
So far
convener.
as with regard to the Annexure 8, Lordship, 8 is concerned, Lordship. That is with regard to the constitution of a new managing committee.
Correct. Now
whether-
you come to the impune order.
Yes.
Now he removed ex officio member convener.
Yes.
Same thing then.
Yes. No, ex officio, convener and headmaster is two different things, Lordship.
Exactly. We are not on the headmaster.
Yes.
I'm saying that pursuant to this constitution of the managing committee, he was removed on what ground?
Yes,
what
ma'am.
inquiry was there?
Inquiry-
Where's the minutes of inquiry?
Inquiry, Lordship, after the approval of the managing committee.
Where's the
then
inquiry?
No,
Have
Lordship.
you annexed it in the affidavit?
No, because that is
Then-
not, I am not privy to it, Lordship.
No focus was also.
I don't understand this. This matter is all is very twisted because from your part also you cannot persuade the court. You're going for your own whatever little It's not even ego. Something else happening to schools. The other order you've seen which I passed with regard to the series of cases.
Yes, Lordship, Lordship. Here, Lordship, he is not qualified. He is a matriculator.
I was well qualified when I was appointed.
Everything been filed by the respondent number 4.
This is 7, Lordship.
7, my lord.
Four I have filed.
Hearing, yes.
My lord, interim order may continue.
Interim order shall continue till next day. Let him continue. Let him create more problems, and then when the whole thing boils over, maybe it will come to your senses.
15.
Ali Ogle.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, we have received instructions, Lordship, and after going through the same, we have sought for additional instructions, Lordship. So I pray for some time.
Give for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
You
for
already
respondent, we filed, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Your Lordship, this matter is with regards to the respondent have issued a lease agreement without execution of a sale deed, Your Lordship.
Any urgency?
None has been made out, Lordship.
Further 2 weeks' time, let's create for respondent's number. Want to be allowed for the affidavit. When Vijayva submits the affidavits, I'll be filed behalf of respondent number 4. This draft also, sir.
16.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 4 and 5. We have filed an affidavit in this matter.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit. I haven't got any instruction to it.
Yes. You're praying for whom?
1 and 2. Respondent.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 3.
Who's that?
Lordship, Mr. Khera.
Okay. Mr. Khera, you already filed the affidavit, correct?
Lordship,
3 has been filed.
Lordship, we filed it on the 29th.
Now 4 and
of
5,
August.
you have a copy?
Lordship, you have
Yeah, the affidavit has been filed today itself on behalf of respondent 4 and 5. This matter after 1 week for joinder of any.
1 and 2 here, so they are important.
1 and 2, Mr. Momin, 1 and 2 seeks further time to file affidavit. Yes, list accordingly and so on.
17.
Right, yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this matter, the respondent number 4 have filed a counter affidavit only to the first petition. It's the DPC 315 of 2023. But for the second petition, they haven't filed any counter affidavit.
For whom?
Respondent number 4.
PC 318.
318 of
to
2023,
receive the
the
copies,
second
Your Lordship.
You not serve copies on them?
We have not received, Your Lordship, except for this 315, to which we have filed an affidavit.
315 before this court, no concern with 318. 318 is there also.
Next item.
We follow next item. Where is the rejoinder to the affidavit?
Lordship, the rejoinder is ready, but as per instruction, the rejoinder is ready for the first
File it.
petition.
Yes, MS Iwanyang. What about 123?
Lordship, I'm filing affidavit.
Ms. Iwanyang, please allow for the 1 week's time to file rejoinder to the affidavit. This thereafter. Yes, next.
18.
This one you haven't filed.
We have not received the copies.
Through Jorwa, Council 4 submits that copies of petition have not been made over to the said respondent. Ms. Iwanyang submit that the said copy will be supplied in the course of the day. Yes.
Hearing 21.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, this court was pleased to allow the respondent state to bring in instructions, Lordship, as to the notified route.
Yes, Your Lordship. Let her carry on with the. We'll place the instruction, Your Lordship.
That road?
Yes, Your Lordship. If she is ready, let her start. Your Lordship will place the instruction.
Yes, start. Yes. Waiting for your submission.
Lordship, this matter was heard at length on the last occasion.
No, there's only one question that the court wants to. Now, yes, Mr. Shulai.
Lordship, yes.
Do we exercise control the brittle part?
No, Your Lordship.
Lordship will have to look at the records because the
Yes.
Lordship would have to look at the
Let's see the
records.
instructions he's brought. We'll then decide thereafter.
If Lordship kindly have that letter, 8 November 2023, Your Lordship. This is the letter issued by the chief engineer to us, Your Lordship. Lordship kindly see. We do not
So
have.
what is the export route they use?
Then Lordship kindly have another instruction, Your Lordship, list of road under PWD SORA division, Your Lordship. Lordship will kindly come from 1 to 7. These are the road under SORA. So far that particular route is concerned, Your Lordship. Mausmai Shila Road, Balat Shila Road, Shillong Sora Road, Maumlu Mausamok Road, Maulong Mausamok Road, Ishamati Bholakan Road, Bholakan Nongjiri Road. So far that route is concerned, Your Lordship. If Lordship kindly come to the map next, the last page, Your Lordship. Lordship kindly see, have a look at Umdut Majai. Lordship is with me. Then Lordship kindly see that exporter route from Majai to company Gan, Your Lordship. This particular route, yes, Your Lordship, is not under our.
This route is to export.
Lordship, yes.
Yes, that is as per the NBCC also, my lord.
Now you control only up to.
Lordship, that yellow, Your
Up
Lordship.
to Ichamati up to Umdut Majai.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And the other that from Umdut Majai up to
Lordship,
Company
yes.
Ganj, that's not under control.
We have no.
So
We
that's
have
under
no
control of same SORA.
Yes, my lord.
And what does the union say?
The union, they have.
But means this route is being used, it's not a notified export route. If that is the situation,
As per the Union 2010 notification, they have mentioned the Bholaganj road is from the. They have clearly explained in their affidavit about that route, in which the Komora also is there. All those are under the jurisdiction of the Himas Orai, my lord. And
no. What we are concerned about is this sketch map.
petitioner is the sketch map is
I've
there.
given a copy. Give a copy to them.
Yeah, I copy it.
You understand what they're saying?
Lordship, I'd have to look at the records, Lordship, because they're stating.
What records?
At the instructions, Lordship, I wasn't
The
provided a
instructions
copy.
are very clear. They've given this map saying that this is the export route being used by exporters now. You've got the map with you?
No, Lordship.
Just give them a copy. Let them have a look.
We'll give no.
I need to look at the
Not the
papers,
question
Lordship.
you need. I mean, do you have a? Let them give you a copy of the map. The thing is that you're disputing this. This is the only thing. The only point that remains for consideration.
The PWD bridal part is a David Scott Road. It is
No.
on the
That's
right-hand
different.
side.
Now the bridal
Yes.
part is what, and this is what.
It's not
The last order says. Let's see. See, you see, here.
Or Lordship, we can put this instruction by means of an affidavit also.
Yes.
What about your affidavit? Yes.
Lordship,
You will need it by affidavit.
Lordship, yes.
Because as shown in the customs at sale number 23, Bolaganj means Public Works Department bridle path from Bolaganj to Company Ganj. That means a totally different road.
Yes.
Because this road that they say that the export route being from Umrut Majai is outside your purview. It's not a bridle path. You put it in affidavit, yes.
Lordship, yes.
Mr.
We'll do that.
AG
Commerce,
with
we
so-and-so.
are heavily relying on the
The matter
affidavit
has
only.
produced certain documents today, including a map
We will not file anymore.
indicating the route, export route taken by exporters. He's directed to put the same, to submit the same before the court by affidavit.
Lordship.
Yes, list the matter after 1 week.
Lordship.
You take it back, this one?
Lordship.
When there's calls for different type of orders to be passed.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
22.
Sure, no.
Yes, MS Maniang, what do you want?
I apologize, Your Lordship, for my oversight. Item 17. I forgot. I missed to pray for the interim order to continue.
17, 18 where?
Item
17 and 18.
That's over, what to do?
Lordship, I apologize. I got nervous when Your Lordship asked for
apologize to your clients now.
I
Act 17, 18, the interim orders shall get till next date, yes.
highly obliged.
22.
Yes.
What will do with 22?
Your Lordship, as per the last order, the respondents are supposed to.
How many pensioners are there?
Should be around 272 pensioners.
What's the amount involved?
Amount per month.
Recurring expenditure.
74 lakhs.
Now, the first time the correct figures come out. 272.
These are pensioners and the family pension.
Whatever, pension, I mean the pension amount.
So there are
272 people you have to pay and 76 lakhs.
Around 76, more than 74 lakhs.
And outstandings, how much then?
I think there's around 9 months backlog.
So it will come to how many crores? Is 9 months backlog or more than that?
Since February, February he got.
9 months.
February.
No, you've not paid, they've not been getting pension since February.
The same case with the staff as well. There's a 9 months backlog.
No, but that day I saw there was a dharna and then they called it off. The court very happy seeing that although we don't take, we don't acknowledge newspaper report, we're happy we thought that you settled all their grievances. What happened that day?
I have no instructions to that effect. It seems there was some protest.
Yeah, and they withdrew the protest.
Some decision might have arrived. Lordship.
What decision was taken?
I'm not allowed to take instructions.
It is reported by Mr. M. Nongpur, the Council Condo 4, that the financial implications, that the is reported by Mr. M. Nongpur that presently there are how many pensioners?
272.
272, and the amount involved is monthly is rupees
74 lakhs.
74 lakhs for Queen Set pension stuff. What do you want today? It's also reported that pensions have not been advanced to the
pensioners
beneficiaries since when? Since February 2020.
In my case, I received the pension up to February this year, Lordship.
The others have not been paid.
So far as these pensioners are concerned, till February.
All of them.
All of them.
Up to Feb. Wait.
What to do? Very sad situation.
Because so far as the
68.
There are around
68.
68 petitioners before your lordships.
It doesn't matter, but even then, even if 68 have come, doesn't mean that just they are pensioners.
Lordship.
Some of them would not have the means to come. Just because they haven't come doesn't mean that you will just pay the 68 that came to court.
So far as the total number of
But there is no proposal how are we going to address the situation, at least for some relief. They'll get at least 2 months pension or 1 month pension.
With approaching the state government and so because there are some due spending from their side also. So far as
that is a beaten answer we get all the time.
That is the only.
Are the MDCs being paid monthly?
Gotcha.
Are the MDCs being getting all the benefits, DA, DA, and this and that? They're getting. They're not getting paid salaries also. They're getting paid or not?
I'm not so sure, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, they can forsake their salaries.
That's why, Your Lordship.
Pay the MDCs 1 month and pay the pensioners that month, and next month then pay the staff. Then we have to, whatever resources you have, then the court might have to give directions. 1 month MDCs will be paid. Next month pensioners will be paid. 3rd month staff, then again come to MDC like that.
I'll come with instructions since there was a protest and maybe some decision might have arrived with the EC. I'll come with instructions on the next day. Maybe something might have happened.
Have you not thought about retrenchment? You have not thought about retrenchment of your staff and all who are this. There's no place to sit also in that office also. There's no. You don't have any employment policy? I think you You should ask your people to examine that.
So far as oversize is concerned,
What kind of recruitment, what are you going to do?
So far as the oversized of the employees are concerned, we have issued a
We don't impute
notification.
personal knowledge, but we know, like in forest department, according to said that there are around how many foresters, but maybe 80 or 90 or 100 foresters, but only 10 come to work.
That is, we'll take steps, Your Lordship.
What steps will take? Start issuing termination notices tomorrow. No, you have to get a package. You know, a lot of people, they have to be taken out, golden handshake. Otherwise,
As soon as we get the funds from the government, Lordship, we are clearing the pension.
Khasi has much lesser funds than Delhi Hills also. They don't get much royalty, but still financially they are very well managed.
Very sound.
How? What is harm done?
It is also reported that pension has not been advanced to the beneficiaries since February 2020.
Mr. Eman Nupur, please will have some time to obtain fresh instructions as to what steps the GHADC propose to take to alleviate the suffering of the petitioners and other similarly situated pensioners. Just after 2 weeks.
Apply.
How will they survive?
23.
Lordship, this matter is
Yes.
related to disability and invalid pension.
Yes.
And counsel is lax in court.
Yes.
Counsel for the petition is lax in court. So, in some other court.
There's no other court sitting now.
Yes. They are in district court.
Don't say that. We argue the matter then.
Yes. And we are to produce judgment. So, Lordship, we already have produced the judgment related covered to this case.
This is only possessive value. This is by a single bench of Himachal, Uttarakhand.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Then, Dr. Mishika, what do you have to say? He retired. He was taken off service which year?
Your Lordship, in the year 75 he has enrolled.
75 enrolled.
Yes, 22nd January. And after 3 years of his service, he was discharged from service.
75 to 78. 78.
Yes.
He got gratuity after his discharge.
Gratuity is paid to him, my lord. 1,800 rupees. At that point of time.
Yes. No, but disability arose during his service period.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The difficulty, my lord, the Assam Rifle maintains record only for 20 years.
No, but at time acceptance into service, I mean, when he was there, now disability arose, is it because of related to the service? If related to service, then
During service period, Your Lordship.
yes.
During service period, Your Lordship.
What kind of disability?
Disability, some diseases occurred during his service period, Your Lordship.
Now the medical board, when they relieved him of his service, what is the report? That report you should be having is there, correct?
That report also is not supplied to the petitioner, Your Lordship. That your medical petitioner back to state that when he was assigned insurgency duty, during the said duty he sustained injuries, and thereafter the respondent
What
authority.
kind of injuries? Some bullet injuries?
It's not
No,
mentioned.
there's no medical, there's no report. What's the report? Is any report annexed here?
Report is not supplied to the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Yes?
Report is not supplied to the copy of the said medical board proceeding was not given to the petitioner.
It's not given?
Yes.
For rendering him disabled to continue service?
Yes.
Discharge certificate doesn't say anything.
During he sustained disability during the counter-insurgency.
What's the ground you've given for non-grant of invalid pension? Or
My lord, what we have stated in the affidavit that this is a 45-year-old case, my lord. We don't have any records because we maintain record only for 20 years, my lord. And then after that, as per rules, those are destroyed.
or the medical board, everything destroyed?
Everything is destroyed, my lord.
Then where can they get relief then, such persons?
It's coming to court after 45 years, my lord.
You file affidavit?
We file affidavit.
What do you see in affidavit? That's only ground.
But that's the main ground taken by us in para 2A, my lord.
You can't give minimum family pension or pension also. You can't award that in such cases. No materials. Where have you said that in your affidavit? Para
2A, my lord, at page 2.
At that time when he was border of service, he was not entitled to CCS pension. Now he'll be. The rules have been changed.
But rules on, my lord, retrospective application.
What to do? Call Mr. Jha.
Yes, Your Lordship, but the judgment is related to cover this case. There also, Lordship, similar matter is there.
See, the thing is that out there the records are available, I think. Correct. Where is he now, this person, the petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is he now?
He is in his hometown.
That's not his hometown. Where is his hometown?
I think UP somewhere.
What is his age now?
Is I think more than 75 years.
75 years.
Yeah.
How did he survive all these years?
He's from UP, my lord. Gorakhpur, UP.
Okay, Mr. Jha come. Otherwise, difficult.
Lordship, let the matter may come next week.
Okay, as Mr. Jha is not available, as the counsel for the petition is also available. Presently, it's a matter of 1 week.
25.
High level judge.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Start.
Your Lordship, I'll pray for a short deal in this matter, Your
Why?
Lordship. Your Lordship, my senior counsel, Mr. H, was supposed to come, but then due to avoidable circumstances, a few hours back, he was called home, Your Lordship, so he couldn't make
Gonna
it.
come to courtroom.
He was called home.
Where's Mr. Sen?
He's around, Your Lordship.
As arguing counsel for the petition and that's not available, this prayer has been made on behalf for some accommodation. But this is matter after 2 weeks. No urgency.
No, it is. I'll open it.